FE, what's going on, man? It's your boy. I'm back for another one. And to be honest, I'm just going over a review on Great British Pound Japanese Yen, the trade that I just took profit on this morning. And basically, this is probably one of the best entries I have ever caught. Just all together, just the trade was so smooth. It was just one of the best entries I've caught, to be honest with you. And I'll just tell you guys what made me take this trade at the point I did take it, and how I broke it down to the extent that I did. So first and foremost, just starting off on the daily chart. One thing that I did look out for was, with it being at this support that I had marked off right here, I seen it was a triple tap, and a lot of times when you get a triple tap, you can kind of expect the market to shoot back in the other direction. So I felt like it could be going bullish at this point to get a test of the EMAs and then short. But one indication that told me to just look elsewhere was just the fact that I did break below the support, which turned it into resistance. So and then I do use the MACD. That's one thing that I do use, and I ain't gonna go too deep into it, but my lines were below the zero over here, so that was another indication that I had a pretty good bearish momentum going. So I jumped down to the 4-hour, and this is pretty much where everything just kicked in. And one thing that I was noticing is on my 4-hour, you see my 10 is below and my 20 is on top, and pretty much that's what you're looking for when you're looking at a bearish trend. And one thing that I kept seeing was just a kiss of the 10. One time right there, just kiss the 10, short a little bit, boom. So I said, okay, I got a lot of good things going on right here in this area, and not to mention this is my now resistance line that just got broken on the daily chart. So scrolling down, going in, I mean, it was just self-explanatory. I mean, I pretty much got in on this counter right here. You guys can see what I was doing. I got in exactly at 121, 144.21. Give me a second. I'll put it in here real fast. Bear with me. I was risking 35 pips. That was my trade right there, fellas. I mean, I got in on this candle here, and pretty much it was just a clean trade. I just got to test of that 10 EMA. And one thing I tend to do, I tend to look left a lot, and I got a lot of rejection going on right here, and I felt the same thing was going to happen, and I jumped in. It was just a clean trade, 6 pip drawdown, to be honest with you, and just shorted from there. I mean, like I say, easily one of the best entries that I caught, and it was just a matter of just breaking it down. And one thing, if you guys know about me, I'm more so of a range trader, so this really isn't my forte. But one thing we like to do here in FE, we like to try to be the jack of all trades, and whatever situation it is, how to approach that situation. And I'm very pleased with the way this trade, with the way this trade played out. But anyway, fellas, man, let's get this thing going. I mean, let's get ready to long this trade now, man. I mean, I'm thinking it's gonna long a little bit to the EMA and continue to short, but let's check it out. But let me know, give me some feedback. I'm out.